our key takeaways from our most recent trip to Silicon Valley is just that the pace of innovation is not slowing down. It's actually accelerating. And that's the reason why we're having to go out so frequently, because you really get a sense of which companies are on the right side of this transition and those who aren't. And quarter on quarter, that's becoming a little bit more clear to us. We're of the firm belief that the winners of this new technology cycle that really started 18 months, 2 years ago with the ChatGPT moment, AI revolution, these are not going to be the same winners of the last technology cycle. Some household sort of names, the Microsoft, the Salesforce of this world, we're really focused on the opportunity set below the Magnificent Seven, as well as these names.
That's really interesting, because the market has been focused, I think, quite clearly on a couple of things this year. One, the infrastructure play in terms of the NVIDIAs of this world, and secondly, the hyperscalers, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google, those cloud players as well. So going into 2025, where do you think the focus is going to be for investors? And yourself, are you still looking at NVIDIA as a key part of this AI equation?
Yeah, so this year, we've been really focused on the AI infrastructure layer of this new technology stack. So first of all, you've got to build out this new compute infrastructure before you can monetize it. So this is not just the silicon, these are also the semiconductor equipment names, the likes of Applied Materials, also the networking names, the Broadcoms, the Amphenol's, Aristas of this world. These are all really crucial components to scale this AI infrastructure. On top of that, you've got the model providers. For the most part, we view these players as quite commoditized. It's a complete arms race to build these large foundation models. On top of that, you've got the engineering tools who sort of bring AI to companies and customers, and then you've got the applications. And the value at the moment resides still in that AI infrastructure layer, but we see that moving up the stack into next year. So we're focusing more of our attention on that application layer, because that's also where you're going to see the largest amount of disruption. You've got a lot of AI startups going after the likes of Salesforce. But the AI infrastructure as it pertains to NVIDIA, that doesn't really go away, because what we think that we're seeing here is the biggest platform shift since electricity. And when you get these big technology platform shifts, the platform economics normally go to one, maybe two players. If you think about the mobile transition, that was Apple. This is NVIDIA. And the key misunderstanding about NVIDIA is that it's a chip provider. We think that looking at the company through this framework, looking at this company through the framework of backwards-looking hyperscaler capex is fundamentally the wrong way to be looking at this company. NVIDIA is actually positioning itself to be the operating system for this new AI-infused software that we're going to really start to see come to market from next year.